welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Hot Beauty Hair. They sent me this beautiful unit. It is glueless, it's perfect for beginners, and yes, it's a bang wig. You guys, this unit is just everything. It's very summer friendly. So if you're interested in this style and how I achieved this look and everything about this wig, please stay tuned. Before we get started with today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you guys in the video. Hi, beautiful. So these are the dimensions of the wig. Inside of it looks just like this. It is a bang wig like I mentioned before, and it can be adjusted to your head size, and it does fit very snug, so you will not have to worry about this wig moving at all. It has combs in it and everything like that. This wig does come curled like this already, and it did have a lot more curls, but I did start to comb the curls out primarily because I wanted it to be bigger, and I love big hair, so I wanted it to get a little big for me. So I went ahead, combed the curls out a little bit with my detangling brush, and then I also bumped the bangs just to give it more volume in the bang area. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. It's really simple. I did not spend much time doing this to the hair. This took me a few minutes, but you can wear this hair straight out the package. It's literally able to be worn out the package, you guys, and that's how reliable and how just beautiful this hair is in general. So this wig is 180% density, and I believe I have a 16-inch, but I will be linking all the dimensions of this wig down below and all the information to this exact unit. She is also highlighted, so she does have brown highlights in. So it's like a brown color, and then she has a mix of like brown highlights all throughout the wig. So I think that gives like just some character to it. I did personally think this wig was really pretty. She was very soft and like was able to be manipulated very easily, very flowy, and oh my god, the thickness on this wig was amazing. And I can't wait for you guys to see the final results because it's just really a pretty wig, and I fell in love with her, and I think she just gives me grown and sexy vibes. So if you're looking for a wig, like I stated before, that's easy, beginner friendly, you don't have to do much work to it, you can literally just throw the wig on, I suggest to get something like this unit because she is very durable and affordable as well. She's about $200, and that's amazing for like no work and a wig that's able to be worn out the box. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna let you see me manipulate the hair. Like I said, I just did something very simple to it, and then we're going to just install it, and I'm going to show you guys the final results. that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, please go ahead and give me a like. Also, don't forget to check out that description box because I do have a code for some money off. I will be working with this company every month, so I'm going to be bringing you guys some beautiful content, some wigs, and some different styles that this company has. So please check them out. If you guys have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As always, it's my pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.